Hey, what's up guys, it's Aaron again, and today I want to talk about this video that I made about the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I am so happy about the number of views that video received over the past couple of days. It's just incredible, but I'm also quite taken aback by the amount of hate that I'm getting for that video. The number of dislikes is, to be frank, quite staggering. Quite a few of the comments were constructive, and I'm thankful for the comments. Some of the comments, however, had to do with my accent. Sadly, I can't do anything about that because I'm born with it. But there are also a lot of people who seem to think that I was bashing the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which I never did. If you have watched the entire video, you would know that repeatedly throughout the video I said the product is promising. This is a very exciting product and I like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I like the fact that it's fairly cutting edge in 2019. It's got USB-C fast charging, which I like. It's got wireless charging. It's got touch controls and it's got Bluetooth 5.0, which is why at $130, this pair of earbuds is definitely worth a look. And I even said at the very end of the video, which only 15% of the viewers got to, by the way, according to YouTube Analytics. I said that I am super excited to try it out for myself once it reaches Singapore shores. But I also said that its battery life is pretty average. It's got a total of 13 hours of juice, 6 hours of charge in the buds, 7 hours of charge in the case. So in total 13 hours. Whereas if you look elsewhere, the GBL3X at the same price point has a total of 24 hours. So 24 hours versus 13 hours, you can see where that comparison might make it seem like it's quite average. But that's not so much of a deal breaker for me because I can live with 13 hours. It's just that I'm big on videos and the Samsung Galaxy Buds don't support aptX. And that's why I indicated in the title why I'm not buying the Samsung Galaxy Buds, because I'm very big on videos and aptX is simply the way to go now. I know there's a debate out there that's been raging for a very long time. Some people are saying that, hey, my earbuds support AAC or even SBC and I'm not getting any latency issues when I'm watching videos. Well, things are not quite as it seems. Over the last couple of months, I've learned a lot about Bluetooth protocols and codecs, and a lot of the credit goes to some of my viewers who commented on my videos to help me to clear up some of the misunderstandings that I had about Bluetooth. Those were very constructive discussions and this is what I found out, okay? If your earbuds only support high latency codecs like AAC or SBC and you're not experiencing any sort of AV syncing issues when you're watching videos on your phone, chances are your phone or the video app that you're watching a video on could have that feature which allows it to track the latency between the earbuds and your phone and adjust for it accordingly by delaying the video. So it's not that your earbuds do not have any sort of latency, it's just that your phone is correcting the latency for you. The sad thing is, not all phones or apps have that feature. So the beauty of aptX is that it ensures a more consistent low latency experience across multiple devices, across any app, as long as your device supports aptX. And right now, you'll be hard pressed to find an Android phone or a laptop or a tablet that does not support aptX. Of course, iOS users, you're pretty much stuck with AAC and SBC until Apple releases a product that supports aptX. I think eventually Apple will put aptX in iPhones and iPads because, come on, the MacBooks and all the iMacs already support aptX, so no reason not to, really. And that's why it's such a bummer for me because I'm a big believer of true wireless earbuds having aptX, especially because of its longer signal path. If you want to know what I'm talking about, click on this video right over here. This will help you understand. So, like I said at the end of the video, I really do think that this is a compelling product and that it shows a lot of promise. And I also said that I'm super excited to try it out once it comes to Singapore shores. But a lot of people seem to think that I'm bashing the product. I don't know why. Because I felt that that video was pretty fair and balanced. I kept my opinions to things that can be proven, such as specs and codecs and stuff. Nothing about sound quality or user experience. Those things are better left to people who have actually been invited by Samsung to be there to try it out for themselves, right? So for all of you who are bashing that video because I said that I'm not buying the Samsung Galaxy Buds despite not having tried them, well, okay, you win, alright? You win. I'm gonna recommend the Samsung Galaxy Buds to everybody, okay? Everybody buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds even though I haven't tried them, okay? So, let's see. some hearts. There. Okay, everybody buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They are awesome. I love them. Aaron approved. Okay, go out there and just pre-order your Buds and your S10s, whatever. I totally approve this message. If you want a copy of this so you can put it up, sure. I'm going to scan this and I'm going to include a link to that scan in the description box, okay? So download it, put it up everywhere. Go ahead. This is me right over there.